The HP's Omen series have been in the market for a couple of years, but they have quickly established as one of the best gaming laptops among the toughest competitors in the market. The main reason behind that is a successful implementation of impressive hardware and a sleek design that is always demanded by the gamers. In this video, we are going to make a full overview of the latest HP Omen 15, which is a laptop which expands the borders of what you've had previously thought of what a gaming laptop really is. From a design perspective, the HP Omen 15 measures 16.3 inches in length, 11 inches in width, and 1.20 inches in height, and it weighs around 7.40 pounds, which makes it a bit heavier but thinner than most of the competing gaming laptops. The Omen has a black and red aesthetic like most of the gaming laptops, but what makes it different is its lid with 4 red lines that form an X. The X intersects the lid into quadrants, of which 2 are placed in plastic while the other 2 are covered in carbon fiber. On the top of the X, there is the Omen's logo, which is surely a great addition since it adds a more aggressive appeal to the laptop, while below the so-called X, there is the Omen labeling with the red font, which is super cool in my opinion. On the left and the right side, slightly below the Omen labeling, there are the 2 engine exhausts that will vent the heat from your laptop through your gaming sessions, which is really good, since on the previous models they were placed at the side and didn't perform that well. The Omen 15 combines almost everything that would be desired by gamers in terms of connectivities. To be more precise, there is a multi-format SD media card reader, 1 HDMI port, an RJ45 port, mic and headphone combo jack, and 3 USB 3.1 ports. Moreover, the hinges that support the 15.6-inch screen are very flexible and durable at the same time, so you can make various adjustments without having to worry about them breaking. The screen itself is Full HD IPS and WLED backlit, but as a plus, it also has an anti-glare layer which will reduce the reflection to the minimum, so your gaming experience will be more enjoyable and comfortable. On the other side, the IPS technology will ensure that you can view from wide viewing angles without missing any details in color definition and accuracy. Most of the customers who had purchased this particular model state that the blacks and the whites were displayed really well, and that the games were pretty defined, so that's a really good thing. Anyways, let's move on to the next section and start talking about the hardware and the performance. The Omen 15 features a 2.8 GHz Intel Core i7 processor, which can be furtherly expanded to 3.8 GHz if you turbo boost it. It also has 8 GB of RAM, 1TB HDD, 128 GB SSD, and NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti with 4 GB of memory, which is perfect for the price. These specs are not only good for mid-range gaming, but they will also equip you with multitasking capabilities and a quick boot time, which is always welcome. For example, you can run plenty of apps at the same time without noticing any decrease in the performance, such as latency, sudden crashes, and similar things which are known for causing frustrations. You can play many games such as CSGO, Overwatch, PUBG, Battlefield 1, The Witcher 3, and Destiny with an acceptable FPS rate. Unfortunately, this model is not VR ready, but if you get the GTX 1060 version, the laptop may run games in VR without any problems. I suggest you take advantage of the Omen's Command Center as well, if you want to have a better control over your laptop and make various adjustments that would directly affect your gaming experience, since one of them is a network booster that will let you prioritize which app should get the most bandwidth from your internet. Moving on, I would like to mention 2 things, of which one is related to the user and gaming experience, while the second one is more connected to the user rather than gaming experience. The first is a backlit keyboard. I absolutely adore the keyboard because it looks gorgeous due to the fact that when you have gaming sessions during the night, the red backlit can significantly improve your gaming ambient and enhance the visibility. HP claims that the keyboard supports 26 key rollover and anti-ghosting, which basically means that every press button will be registered instantly. This is especially useful during your gameplay, because you'll have to press multiple buttons at the same time in order to move quickly and respond when you're being attacked. I also want to inform that the ASWD keys are highlighted in red, so you can know where to put your fingers, while the key travel is significantly improved compared to the previous models, so virtually you can't miss any button. The second thing that I previously mentioned is related to the touchpad. Well, the touchpad has a sleek coating that feels soft under your fingertips and all of your swipes will be registered perfectly fine. However, in my opinion, the touchpad is only good for casual web surfing and similar stuff, and you won't get any gaming benefits from it. This is still okay, since most of the users are using external mouses that are a lot more effective if you compare them with touchpads. Furthermore, the Omen's Bang & Olufsen dual speakers can produce quality, loud and clear sound, but don't expect to hear any bass. They can really make a difference when you're watching movies or play video games, but if you want better audio, then you should definitely use your external speakers or headphones. The battery life should have been definitely better for the set price in my opinion. In practice, the battery life should last between 5.5 to 6.5 hours, which falls behind the other competitors. But you shouldn't be upset by this, due to the fact that if you play for more than 7 hours, there aren't many laptops in this price range that could allow you to play without having your laptop plugged into your charger. Anyways, to conclude, you should definitely consider the HP Omen 15 as your next purchase, because the price is still affordable if you compare it with what you get in return. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about this laptop, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to it, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.